Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your Microsoft Copilot account with your OneDrive account. So let us guide you through this. So if you like, for example, to use files and documents and images you have stored on OneDrive here for your conversations on Copilot as a context, for example, you may do that by adding OneDrive and Outlook, for instance, as a connector. To do that, head over to Copilot, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left, and from this menu on your left hand side, select Settings, and here in your Settings, navigate to Connectors. And here you may use one of these options like Google Drive, Google Calendar, Contacts, Gmail, Outlook, as well as OneDrive. So if you're already logged into your Microsoft account, you may click into this button here. And after that, you'll be redirected to this option. Now, guys, if you're not logged into your Microsoft account, this option won't be available. But since you have access to your account settings, I assume you are already logged into. But since you're accessing your account settings and doing that requires being logged in with your Copilot account, I assume you're already using your Microsoft account. So connecting with OneDrive is actually just about switching it on here, and you can do the same for Outlook. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.